Hey, welcome to another one of these educational moments. I'm Darryl Baboni, this is Honeydew Man, and you are watching a little video on chimneys. Here we have a roof that is 5 years old. It's in great condition. Chimney flashing, client called about some chimney leaks. We checked the flashing, flashing's copper. And you can see the seams here are all welded. There's some nice welding going on. All the joints are in good shape. Bricks are in good shape, everything's in good shape. What we have here is the most common problem with when you got like a chimney's in good condition, a roof is in good condition. You gotta check the reglet because that's 9 times out of 10 is where the water's coming from. So we get here, this is called the reglet. And this is where the chimney flashing is cut into. The chimney's called the reglet. And when it starts to pull away, it's gonna let water in, so you can see it cracking. This is normal wear and tear. It's caused by thermal expansion contraction. When the sun hits the copper, it's gonna expand and contract, and when it gets hot, when it gets cold, the brick chimney's not gonna really move, so the difference between the metal moving and the brick not moving, it's gonna open up the joints, it's gonna open up the reglet. So just a quick little fix, you can seal that. The way to take care of that permanently is to do what's called a built-in flashing. Built-in flash is when the copper goes inside the chimney and up along the flue liner, and then you have a built-in solid piece that won't leak, but that requires knocking the chimney down. Most customers are gonna pay to knock a chimney down, especially when it's in good condition. So for now, we're just gonna seal up the reglet for them, take care of this quick little problem. They're gonna be good to go. If you are trying to tempt this yourself, I don't recommend using a typical silicone product. Silicone does a really good job of sticking to itself. It does not do a great job of sticking to other things, especially outdoors. So if you're using a silicone product in the outdoors where you're getting direct sun or direct exposure elements like rain and hail, sleet, snow, whatever, I'm gonna come back to that job 2-3 years after you do it, and I'll be able to pick it up and pull it all off, and it'll stick to itself in one big long string and stick to nothing else. So I don't like using this stuff outside. The product I like using is the product called GeoCell 2300. That's what it looks like. I guess probably look better if I didn't have a shadow in it. Not a product endorsement or anything like that, just it's good stuff. It's a tripolymer adhesive. You're gonna find that it sticks really well. I'm gonna come back here 3, 4, 5, 10 years later, and it's still gonna be here. It's gonna have the thermal expansion and contraction properties that we want. It's also paintable. It's gonna move with the copper, and it's gonna help us from having any problems in the future. So figured I should give you that answer in case you're trying to do it yourself. Thanks for tuning in.